Hi guys, myself Pranav Kishore. Just a glance, after a very long time, I'm back. As state competitions are coming, I would like to thought you guys how to create or apply for state competitions at nrai.org. As you know, India is going to be digitalized and our applications are also. So, first of all, you must need a mobile or laptop something which may have internet access. So, ready with it. First of all, open Chrome in your mobile or laptop and just log in into or search into the nria.org. FYI, link is in the description, please check it. After just opening the website, it will show like this in the sign up page. If you don't have a shooter ID, you should select on the shooter ID and select the state representation. Where are you from? Like I am from participating from Andhra Pradesh, so I will select Andhra Pradesh. And then you should add your details like first name, middle name, and last name. And for your details, please fill up the things which are mentioned by a red star, which are that indicates mandatory symbol. So please go with it. And please get ready with the passport size photo, which is a recent one, and a date of birth certificate. If you don't have a date of birth certificate, you can proceed with your 10th class certificate too. After the completion of your filling the details in the first page, you should click on the next step, so that there will be another details of yours like the date of birth and your residential place, something which are mandatory for NRII application, so that please fill it and we will catch up later. As you completed filling the residential address and things, go on to the next step, or else you can call it as the final step of the registration, where you can find the required documents like photos, action photos, and birth certificate. The photo must be recent one and less than 100 KB JPG format, and the birth certificate may be JPEG or a PDF. And then you have to accept the conditions of the NRII and please select the option participating for state competitions and save it. Then boom, it will happen. Please wait until NRII welcomes you into their website. After this, you will get a email. After this, NRIA will send you a Gmail like the login credentials. So, with that, you must log in with your Gmail ID and the password given by the NRIA. After you entered the password given by the NRIA, just sign in. Then it will show that reset your password. So please reset your password which you can remember always. And then if the any competitions are there, the notifications will show you. See, 21 Andhra Pradesh state competition is coming soon. On 24th there will be a training and 25-26 matches will be started. So go on that, tap on state participation and state match entry form. Then it autofill your details as you already registered. So please select the state level and select your membership details. Then you have to select your event. Yes, you can participate in 2 or 3 events. If you are youth, you can participate in 3 disciplines. As I am applying for men, I can only apply for men. So I am selecting 10 meters rifle championship men. Don't select services. If you are in services, you can select it. Then you must accept the terms of 21 Andhra Pradesh state competition in small bore. Then you have to save it and click on proceed. The match fees will be 1700 this year. As it always fluctuates, then boom, your entry has been received by the system. and state board will approve it, as well as state board approved your event registration, then the payment gateway will open in nria.org. So after that you can pay by phone pay, google pay or something, upi or your credit card, debit card. Bye. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe and share with your shooting buddies. Bye bye.